Good morning, everyone. It is Wednesday, September 8th, 2021. Stop by perfectstormtrading.com, drop your name and email into the box for a chance to win a copy of the Perfect Storm Trading Book and Indicator Package. Here's the rainbow chart from yesterday. These were the 6 triggers here on the left that I had mapped out. See, we had a long, a short, with a real nice short, best trade of the day. A long triggered off of that and got stopped out. We had one red bar down right on the vertical line here, and that was a decent little long trade. And then the last one was an additional long after the one down red bar here that's barely visible. Here's a few of the triggers from overnight. The first one was very low volatility. Not much there. The second one, we got the volatility kicked in with the triggered into a short. Then we had another low volatility period there again, and then the big short came on the next signal as the volatility picked up as well. So it's not always a change in trend, it can be a change in volatility. So that's something to watch out for there. So with that said, let's take a look at the windows in the Excel. Two early timing windows last night and early this morning. You can see we made high in the first window, was higher than the prior window, and then we had the low come in the white black here. And then as soon as we made low, we rocketed right out of there. The next window's coming in tonight at 1932 to 2240, with the most likely spot being 2003, 2006. The next window's 23, just right at midnight basically, and then that's going to go till 3:41 a.m. and it's either going to be the beginning of the window at 23:56ish area, or when we hit the green block on the A1 panel here at 2:56 in the coming morning. So that's where we are with the timing windows for today. The Excel, the blue line was tracking pretty well. From here you can see we had the blue line high and the high in the market. That's a 30-minute chart. We traded down to the little double bottom on the blue line. The market made a little double bottom with one bar in between. Traded up. Market came down, tracked the green line down. Blue line catches up to the green line. Traded down. The market turned up. The blue line. Green line stayed down. We inverted here, so at the pivot point we had a high, and then at the next high we had another market high, and both the lines turned down and gave us the big short trade, coincident with the start of the timing window. Always got to work those together. Now we made low here early in the AM, around 4:30 a.m., and now both lines have turned up and the market has surged. Now the green line's going flat, the blue line's tracking gradually up. The vedic is mostly bullish here until 8:11, and then we have the one red bearish window till about 12:44, but it's mostly bullish. And then we're going to have the big green window, which I haven't marked yet, which is going to be most likely a high. Now this is the B1 area. This is going to most likely be a high, and that's going to come around the 906 frame, or it could come again between 1055 and 1133, or 1143, 1207. So we've got that wide window, and look at A1 to lock that down, or use the rainbow pH to lock that down. But we are looking more bullish. The Excel is bullish till about 2 o'clock, and the vedic is bullish, mostly bullish throughout the whole trading session. So we're likely to come back and get into some sort of an area of a high. It could be a low also. It's a little bit too early to tell, but the way it's looking now, with the market moving up and with the vedic being mostly green and the Excel being up on the blue line, it looks like we have more bullish pressure. So we'll see how that plays out. That's it for today. We'll be back again tomorrow with another video. We'll see you then.